And welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Glowgetter. I hope you all are amazing and doing great in your lives. So I think you got it the idea about some of cyber crimes. So in this video I'll tell you about security tips. That's how you can secure your data from hackers. Okay, so first, I'm going to tell you about passwords. As I always say, don't share your password with anyone. Okay. And second most important thing is don't keep your account number details and your PAN card details, your Aadhaar card details, ATM card details as your passwords. Please don't do this. Okay. If somehow hackers got it in the idea about your passwords, so they will, if it is matching with your account details, then you will lose your money with your data. Okay, so please don't do these things. Always keep different passwords for every app. Okay, always use different passwords. Okay, and third, I want to tell you about the things that is autofill option. You know what is autofill option? I will give you the demo.
So guys, this is the example of autofill I wanna show you. This is the site of sign up for parking. Sign up for parking, and it is asking you to fill these contact information, your phone number, state. You know, many times you have filled these details in any another website also. So that time, Chrome just save these things, and then when you are going to fill these details or requirement of same details in any new website or any particular website you are visiting, then it shows the option autofill for that information. So that time what you have to do, you don't have to choose this option because it will just fill your details automatically. Don't do this because sometimes what can happen, hackers can just fill these details already, so they can change your autofill details, and when you're going to just fill these details through auto fill option, then it will just give you the wrong details about your information and can give the access to hackers. So please don't choose this autofill option.
Type the things or your personal information or your passwords manually, or you can use the virtual keyboard or personal information. Okay, fourth, I want to tell you about the apps. So if you want to download like Karaoke Sing and Record app, so you can see here there are the number of apps. So how you will get the idea that this app is good or bad, or it's having a feature that you need? So how you can get idea? Like this stars represents the ranking of app, it is good or bad something. And you can see here, like if you download this app Star Maker Sing, you can clearly see the reviews 4.7, that is good. Okay, and you can see this 100 million plus downloads and you can rate this app after using or installing. But before that, what you have to do, you can see the rating and reviews. You can see here is the number of reviews. So like this 1 to 3 reviews are represent about the good things. Okay, but what you have to do, you just have to click on see all reviews. Now it comes, now you can see clearly. Okay, I'm so frustrated with this app. Few days ago this app just going great, but today the same problem was happened again. This is the second time the tempo. Okay, and here you can see the Star Maker replied those comments. Same thing, you can see amazing app, you can see. So now I will tell you about the lowest ranking app. You can find out. So I found this one is the lowest ranking app, 3.1 rating SK, and you can see this rating and you can just check out the reviews. Yes, disgusting. I downloaded, but it's blooper. There was written no internet in my one official Star Maker. But do you know what happened? When I wanted to go inside, it was getting out auto happened. And worst app ever. Never download this app. You can see clearly. This app is horrible, but it doesn't come up with any songs at all. I wanted to rate it 0. It's better than better. Never install for English. Stupid doesn't open. Very hopeless app. So you can see. Okay, so this is how you can download or install any app and can get idea about it is good or bad, because these apps can have virus also, okay, or malware. So please always try to read out the reviews about any app before downloading. About the timing of screen lock passwords, so I want to suggest you that please keep your screen lock password timing less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes, because it will help you to protect your data, because if somehow you have lost your phone, tell you about the clone sites. Clone sites are basically the fake sites. So you have to make payment, and the person is saying to you that I will share the link on your registered mobile phone number, so please open that link and do the payment on that particular website. So first of all, what you have to check, you just have to check this website is fake or original. Example of fake IDs, you can see this is the URL. This is the fake URL of Amazon, medcaredistribution.co.in. So this is a fake website. You can see how you can create the difference between fake and real website. You can copy that link to the Google. Okay, you can see and before filling any information here, please check the original link. Like this is the original link, Amazon.in. This is the real site. Okay, online shopping, Amazon.in or Amazon.com. These are the online original apps for Amazon. Or this is, you can see this is the fake. I can zoom it. You can see this looks like real, but it is not real. You always have to see the URLs, okay, before filling your information there. So guys, this is the main points you have to keep in your mind while visiting any website. This is how you can create the difference between fake and real. So this is the link you can see. The fake site has an extra B. इसके अंदर क्या है, एक extra B है in the name, and the genuine PCS website. Okay, so first, how you can check the difference between real or fake. You can see the URL. Fake sites can't have the same URL as the original. There may be a missing or replaced letter. Okay, you can see. Second, you can look for HTTPs. Shopping and banking websites must have HTTPS protocols instead of HTTP://. Okay. Third, you can see the safe software. जो सेफ सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं वो यूज़ करते हैं ब्राउज़र दैट अलर्ट्स यू इफ़ यू विजिट अ suspicious website. Okay, if your phone or mobile having a safe software, then it will show the message. I'll show you that also, but you have to see these things also, read before using. Bad English, you can see on the site, bad English and empty or sparse contact us page are signs of scam. Okay. Or fifth, you can check for ads. If a website has too many ads and pop-ups, it's likely to be fake. Okay, this is the main things that you have to keep in. Guys, this is the my screenshot, because I think I was using any fake website and my phone is having a safe software. That's why this message pop on on my screen like this website is not using a secure connection. Any sensitive information you entered on this site, for example passwords or credit cards, could be stolen by attackers. So when I just saw this message, I suddenly closed that site. So I suggest you the same, that please, if this kind of message pop up on your screen while using any websites, so you should be very careful at that moment, because this is the fake websites, okay, and you don't have to fill any information there. So guys, this is the example of safe software or fake websites pop-ups. Okay, security tips. I hope you got it. So please like this video, comment on this video and share this video, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Bye bye, take care.